Welcome to Eli Works. I know you're in a hurry to figure out how things are going. We've been doing some test cuts and having some trouble with programs going awry. It sometimes drops out communication with the SD card. Tried a lap tap. That didn't work very good. So I'll show you what we got going on. Then we'll talk about what we're going to do about it. Thanks for watching. Take two. Huh. Damn it. I think that's an almost there. So, last cut I did, I lost steps. Like a lot of steps. It was really bad. So I didn't know if it was the machine, like after it ran for like 3 minutes or something, if it started screwing up or what. But this thing has been running, I think, here for, well, 16 minutes. Going up and down and around, cutting holes. But without the plasma running, just to see what's what. So, this is going okay. So, definitely need to figure out more shielding. Because I drew a mark and I haven't lost any steps. And this thing's moving right along.